What's going on, everyone? Today we are going to replace the remote battery in a 2021 Volkswagen Passat.
All right, so the first step is going to be to open up the key like that. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife and come over here and we're going to pry this panel right off right here. It's actually pretty simple. And here, once you get it started, you just pop it right up just like that. And there's a little slot. This is where you need the little flathead screwdriver, but there's a slot right here. It's pretty small, and you're gonna work the battery right out. I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size it is. Here's a new battery. It's a CR2032. Notice the positive sign is facing outwards towards us when we put it back into this remote. Okay, we're gonna kind of slide it in there like that. All right. If you need a battery, check the description box. There's a link takes you to Amazon where you can get a battery for $1 if you need a battery still. But next step is just to get the cover, snap it back on, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and it was. Appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.